This 1990s Schindler is having to work hard all day and night answering all these phantom door open requests. No buttons are stuck, and it doesn't matter which level it arrives at. But what's more concerning is my lift filming criteria. Is this video really good enough for the Mr. Matt and Mr. Che channel? My next effort was to have a look to see if the motorroom was available for filming. But don't despair. Of course, this would make the video much better. So I will be watching this door because an engineer is bound to attend soon to repair the lift on the right. I love these early animated displays. In the lift car, you'll notice the floor display is the cheaper, non-animated type, with only the LEDs required to produce a typical 7-segment type display. You've probably noticed that the right hand lift is out of service, but it's not being repaired, it's actually being replaced. In a couple of months, both lifts will look like these characterless MRL lifts, except in these there is a motorroom. But wait, the engineer has arrived. The engineers are on lunch break. I did speak with one of them who said yes to me taking a look inside the motorroom. To be honest, I'm not 100% sure if he understood my question. However, I'm not setting out to disturb anything in this motorroom. Being an engineer myself, I'm respecting the engineers who are working on these lifts. I mean, if you were fixing a car and somebody came up to you and asked to film the engine, that might be fine. But you wouldn't expect to come back and find things not as they were. This is respect. Learning respect gains trust from others. Being trusted brings opportunities. This may not be for everyone, but it's certainly worked for me over the years. Sorry for the lecture, but just food for thought. Anyway, here is the motorroom. You'll notice the new lift being installed on the right. When that's done, the lift on the left will be turned off and replaced, so it no longer has to answer all those phantom calls.